Hira around everybody. Warning: this Schezwan chutney is seriously addictive. Just one spoon of this, and your noodles, fried rice, momos, and sandwiches become unbelievably tasty. And with the blessings of Sai Rosha, today we are making a super easy homemade Schezwan chutney. Start by boiling Kashmiri chilies and garlic till they turn soft and full of flavor. Then transfer everything into a mixer and blend till a smooth red paste. Now, heat oil in a karai and add the chili garlic mixture. Season it with a little salt and vinegar. Then, let it simmer for 2 minutes till the oil starts separating beautifully. The aromas at this stage absolutely mouth-watering. Allow the chutney to cool completely and then store in an airtight container in the fridge. And that's it. Your homemade Schezwan chutney is ready to turn any simple dish into a spicy flavor-packed treat. Sai Hira.